Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the 8th class GK lecture, that is general knowledge. In this lecture, the topic is pollution and health. So, what is pollution? Pollution is that the harmful substance that will be present in our environment. We will code these is as a pollution. So, pollution is the addition of harmful substance into the environment. Pollution क्या है? हमारे जो harmful substance है उनको environment के अंदर add होना, thereby contaminating it. Pollution is posing a threat to existence of humanity. So यहाँ पे जो हमारा pollution है वो एक तरीके से एक हमारी जो ह्यूमैनिटी है उसको क्या करता है, अफेक्ट करता है बहुत ज्यादा. Fill in the blanks. So we have to fill in these blanks. Vegetable grow on roadsides have higher content of lead present in them. So इसमें क्या आएगा, leads. तो जो vegetables है that grow on roadsides have a higher content of lead present in. The vegetable that grow roadsides have higher content. Lead as a higher content present in them. Now, dash is a gas that produce most damaging acid rain. So, which is the gas that will produce most damaging acid rain? That is the sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide. SO2 formula is. So it is the gas that will be produce most damaging acid rains. Now the third one is dash is a gas that is passed through the water in order to kill the germs present in them. Then which is the gas that we will use for kill the germs present in water? That is the chlorine arsenic. Chlorine arsenic. Now the fourth is dash is a metal that can damage the blood vessel. Which is the metal that can damage the blood vessels? जो हमारे blood vessels को खत्म करती है तो वो कौन सी है? Arsenic. It is a metal that can damage our blood vessels. Now the next one is dash is a silent killer gas which combine with hemoglobin present in our blood. What is the gas that is a silent killer that will combine our hemoglobin present in our blood vessels? Are the carbon monoxides. Carbon monoxide. It is a gas that will be called a silent killer gas. That we will call a silent killer gas because it can combine with hemoglobin that will be present in our blood vessels and it is harmful for our health. Inhalation of many gases present in air can damage our nervous system. किसको डैमेज कर सकते हैं? हमारे नर्वस सिस्टम को. इनहेलेंस, सांस लेना. Nervous system. So the inhalation of many gases that will be present in our gas that will be harmful our health, they can damage our nervous system. So the next is dash present in drinking water can damage our kidney. Then lead, if lead is present in our drinking water, it can damage our kidneys. Fungicides, herbicides and insecticides are not only destroy pests but also destroy useful bacteria. These will not destroy only pests. ये कीड़ों को ही नहीं मारते हैं. It will also destroy the bacteria that will be present in our soils. Now the next one is the burning of garbage emits dash the particulate matter in the air. Now the carbon dioxide, burning of garbage emits carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxides. So burning of garbage will produce carbon dioxide gas and it will be participates in our air. Now the last is car engine emits dash and cause air pollution. Then car engine emits carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide and cause air pollution. We will also see carbon monoxide is a silent killer gas which is combined with hemoglobin present in our blood vessel and which is harmful for our self. So these are the some questions that we will discuss in our GK lecture, which is based on the pollutions, So this is our today's lecture and you have to write all these things in your notebook and also learn all about it. So it is the end of this lecture. Thank you.